How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you how to get rid of this stuff here, these bad wax spots. So what this is, I waxed the truck real quick before we left, but I didn't have time to get all the wax off the plastic, and it kind of dried and baked on there. So I'm going to show you the best way to get rid of it. I'm going to show you a comparison between two methods. First one, honestly, it doesn't work at all, but a lot of people try it and get frustrated. So I'll show you how to do that. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you got any questions, be sure to drop it down in the comments and we'll do our best to help you out. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is what a lot of people use is just old plain water or soapy water. This is just plain water, but soapy water doesn't do anything either. But I'm gonna show you. So you can scrub all day long. You can see it kind of peels it out. But once you let it bake out in the sun, it just comes back. And it's kind of hard to tell on the camera, but right there, it's already starting to dry out and come back. So what do you do about this? Real easy. The answer is Mr. Clean Magic Erasers here. So this is what I found the easiest way to get rid of it. Just dip it in a little bit of water and watch how easy this comes out. I'm barely even pushing. You don't want to push too hard because you'll tear up your magic eraser and you'll go through a lot more of them, but see how easy that's coming off there. See this big spot up here? Just watch that. See it coming right off of there? I was probably putting about 5 times more pressure with the microfiber towel than I am with this magic eraser. And look how much cleaner that got. And I did this whole area in about the time I was scrubbing on that one spot. And then all you do is just take your microfiber towel and wipe it off. And that's all there is to it. Might have to do this a few times. Like I said, as the sun comes out, it'll bake more and more. It'll dry more of that stuff out. But usually if you scrub it real good there, like, I don't know, I probably did 5 or 6 swipes on each part of it. It'll usually bring it out the first time and you don't have to do it again. But if you do, just like I said, just do it again and real easy and real quick. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you got any questions, drop it down there in the comments. We'll do our best to help you out. Until next time, you guys stay safe out there.